Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive straight in and learn how to create a risk matrix in Zoho Project, which is a crucial process for proactively managing potential project risks. Let's start with step 1, logging into your Zoho Project account. This step is vital because without access to your account, you won't be able to create your risk matrix. Log in using your credentials, and once you're in, navigate to your desired project. Now that we've done that, the next step is to go to the Risks tab. This helps us because it's where we can identify, assess, and prioritize all project risks. Click on the tab, and you'll see an option to Add Risk. Hit this button, and let's move to the next step. The third step is to fill in the details of your risk. You'll need to specify the risk name, its description, cause, and effect. The reason we do this is to provide a clear picture of the potential risk and its implications. This also helps in planning risk responses effectively. Next up, you'll need to assign a probability and impact value to each risk. Let me explain why this matters. These values will help in plotting the risk on your risk matrix. The higher the values, the higher the risk priority should be. Once you've filled out all the details, hit the Save button, and your risk will be added to your project. Repeat this process for all potential risks that you've identified for your project. Now let's create a risk matrix. Go back to the Risks tab and click on Risk Matrix. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project will automatically plot your risks based on the probability and impact values you've assigned. The final step is to review and analyze this matrix. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of the risk landscape of your project. The risks in the upper right corner of the matrix are the ones you'll need to prioritize. And that's how you create a risk matrix in Zoho Project. Thanks for tuning in. Remember that understanding and managing risks is an essential part of project management. Until next time, keep your projects running smoothly.